Hello children. So today we are going to learn some properties of multiplication. Here you can see some stars are there. So look at the stars. We can group the stars in two ways. You can see this pink one and this blue. So we can group these in two ways. Let's see first one. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups are there. And how many stars in each group? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 3 stars and 4 groups. So 4 groups are there and that is of 3. Here if we will see this one, blue one, we have 4 stars and how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 4. Now how to write multiplication form is 3 multiply 4. We can write it 3 multiply sign then 4. Same way 4 groups of 3 means 4 multiply 3. So total number of stars are 12. What numbers is formed by 4 multiply 3? It is 12. And what number is formed by 3 multiply 4? Again it's 12. So it's clear that 4 multiply 3 is equal to 3 multiply 4. So this one is first property. 4 multiply by 3 is equal to 3 multiply 4. So what we observe is, we observe the changing in the order of these two factors does not change the product. Its product will be same only. In this case it's 12 only. Let's see one more example. In this you can see two groups are there. Two groups of 6 stars. So we can write it down. 2 multiply 6. Now 2 6 are 12. Again we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 groups are there and 2 stars in each. So 6 groups of 2. We can write 6 multiply 2 equals 12. So here again 6 multiply 2 is equal to 2 multiply 6. So what we observe in this is, changing the order of two factors does not change the product, and this property is commutative property. Next is multiplying with 1. Here I have drawn some leaves. Let's see, 1 leaf plus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. It means 3 ones is 3. 3 ones is 3 only. So what we concluded is, if you will multiply any number with 1, it will be the number itself. Any number multiplied by 1 equals that number only. Let's see some more example. 4 ones are 4, 7 ones are 7. So if you will multiply any number with 1, it will be same number only. Let's move on to next property, that is multiplying with 0. Here you can see 2 baskets are there and 0 apple in each basket. So how many apples are there in these 2 baskets? It is 0 plus 0 equals 0 only. So 2 zeros is 0. 2 zeros is 0 only. Any number multiplied by 0 equals 0. So answer will be always 0. Let's see some more example. 0 tens are 0, 9 zeros are 0. So Let's move on to some questions based on these. Let's move on to next one, that is some questions based on multiplication. I hope you have learned tables. So here you have to simply multiply it mentally, like 2 4s are 8, 3 8s are 24. This way you have to solve it mentally. As I said, if you multiply any number with 0, answer will be 0 itself. So 0 ones are 0, and if you will multiply any number with 1, it will be same number. 1 9s are 9. So you have to complete this. Let's move on to next one, that is write the missing factors. Here you can see one factor is missing. As I said, these two are known as factors and the answer that you are getting is product. So here one blank is there, you have to fill it. Like 7 6 are 42, 4 dash equals 0. It means 0 is the answer, it means one factor should be 0. So 4 zeros are 0. Here you can see 10 ones are 10. This way you have to solve these questions. Now do its practice. Thank you.